pom-poms.
Cheerleaders.
Yes. Illegal.
Formation.
An old quarterback. Not blank Montana.
Joe Namath.
Yes.
Good.
Not the Houston Oilers.
The Texans. The Tennessee Titans. Good.
The Saints quarterback.
Drew Brees.
Yes. They have a striped shirt.
Referee.
Yes.
That was good.